We are going to destroy the train and try not to get grounded. Hot 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 hot.
Here goes the train.
Ally and Alice. How dare you destroy the train while we are going to Chuck E. Cheese? That's it. I'm calling you parents.
No 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 no.
No 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 no. No.
Hello, Ally and Alice's parents. Yeah. The girls destroy the train while we are going to Chuck E. Cheese. Can you please ground them?
Ally and Alice did what? Oh my god. 2 girls are grounded. Thanks for calling us. Ally and Alice, you 2 are grounded for destroying the train.
Now go upstairs to your rooms now, you misses.
What?
What?